we're gonna run back with another video here. Today we are going to play some Bird Runners. Bird Runners, I don't know what this game is about, but my friend has inspired me to play this. I really want to try it out. It's like a gorilla tag rip. Wait, what? J-Man Curly? If you don't want to watch YouTube, just go on Bird Runners and watch J-Man Curly, bro. Okay, anyway, there's a football. Maybe if I go, Kobe. Dang, okay. What can you do here? This is cool. They've got a disc. Is that like a tutorial? This music making me go crazy, dude. What are we supposed to do? Is there a way to... I'm going to click every single button. Let's read them. Maybe they will give us a hint. Look, J-Man Curly. The heck? What does this say? Reach your hand behind your back. Tutorial.
Hello, and welcome to Bird Runners. This short tutorial will go through the basics of the game.
Does this game have flat mechanics? Doesn't.
This game has flat mechanics.
Wait, what? How?
You can hold down the A button to flap your hands.
Oh, yes, sir. Ow. Sir. Okay, that is pretty cool.
This concludes the tutorial. If you'd like to hop into the main game, please press the button on the table over there.
Finish. Whoa, okay. I think Oh! I'm invisible in this. Game doesn't look like it's finished. My friend inspired me to play it. Turning. It's turning. Can't connect to use this. Should we check if people... I don't know if people are Flappy Bird. Wait. I've heard they have floor is lava. I want to try it. Wait. Then later we're going to try, in the next video, we're going to try Bread Runners. We're going to try Bread Runners in the next video, but let's just do this, see what this brings us to. Oh, it's a shop. Fortnite map, but Pride. You don't even need to touch the fort. If Gorilla Tag have this would have been the... If Gorilla Tag or anything, and if they made the game this would have been the most popular game in probably the world. In VR. Not like Fortnite or something like that. What the Flappy Bird? Flappy. Whoa. No! It kind of sounds like, you know the Kirby music? We'll try Bread Runners in the next video, but I'll download Bread Runners. Whew! 140? I think J-Man Curly played this. Can't connect to rooms, use this. People play this. Floor is lava. Wait, we'll try this and then we'll end the video. Let's try floor is lava. Shouldn't be that hard, right? Floor is lava. Oh my. Wait. I'm cooking, eh? Guess we can't flap in this. You have to try, but you keep launching. They just need to fix it a little bit. Because you could never complete this if it's like this. Fuck! Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to say that, dude. I'm gonna get determinized now. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. It's just so hard. 10 hours later. Dang it, bro. Wait. You can wall run, kind of. I'm not that good at wall running, but let's go to the tutorial. What the heck is this? It's like a bean bag. I can't get on it. Oh, bouncy castle. Before we go, we're going to go in the bouncy castle. My block. Boing, boing. Oh, no. Help. I think that's it. Let's check the beach. Then we're going to end it. So, this video might be a little, do the slides actually work? You can't get up, so this is... Oh, I did it. Right, go. Woo! Oh, this is weird. That was short. You can run in water. So I'm going to end the video here. We're going to hit this ball and peace out, boys. Woo! Wait. Woo!